Hey, this video we're going to talk about money, so don't start laughing because I am going to show you a way that is going to change your mindset on the way you look at money from now and throughout your lifetime. So, if you have not thought about this tip, enjoy this video because it's going to help you. All right, here it is. I want you to start looking at money differently. I want you to stop using credit cards and debit cards for the next 60 days because I want to show you something that's going to change the way you look at money. I want you to start using cash when you make purchases. It's only for 60 days. It doesn't take long because 60 days, it's only 60 days, 2 months. So here's the challenge for you. When you buy something, I want you just to use cash. And then once you use your cash, I want you to save your change and see how much it accumulates over the long run within that 60 days. So let me show an example because money, you get attached to it. Say you go to the store and a candy bar is $1. It's easier for you to get $1 than it is for you to break a 5, 10, 20, 50, or 100. It just seems like the larger the bill, you look at money completely different. Because it's easier for you to spend $1 than it is for you to spend the big bills. And then after that, on that note, if you get change from anything that you break, your coins, I don't want you to start saving it. Because in the long run, in 60 days, you will start accumulating money in your jar. I don't know how much is in here. It could be 30, it could be 50. I don't know what it is yet, but I'm still adding to it. But I have situations where this was full, and I thought I'd get like $30, and ended up being $70. So it's shocking how much money you accumulate within 60 days. But on that note, don't even cash it out. Just keep adding to your bank. And if this one gets full, add another one. And in a year's time, you'll have a lot more money saved up. Because with money, when you have the dollars and the 20s and the hundreds in your hand, it's completely different to get rid of that. I don't know why money is like that, but we get attached to it. We work hard for it, and it's so hard to let it go. But credits and debit cards, you don't feel it, so it doesn't bother you. But what I want you to do, once again, is start using your cash just for 60 days. It's not even long. Save your change. Leave comments in the box below because I want to know how it changed your life. So hopefully this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the box below. You guys have a great day. Bye.